Measles cases are at a 25-year high, spurring proposed legislation in Wisconsin to eliminate a parent's right to let their school-aged kids skip out on vaccinations. While it's backed by medical groups, our Madeline O'Neill explains why others took issue with it today at the Capitol.
Keeley, with measles outbreaks in surrounding states, an area doctor believes it's just a matter of time until the disease makes its way here to Wisconsin. For doctors, vaccinating is a matter of public health. For parents rallying at the Capitol today, it all comes down to their rights.
We're just, here to let it be known that we call the shots as parents and as, citizens of the United States.
Amber Skett says after her 2-month-old son had a bad reaction to a vaccine, she wants more of a say.
I have an autoimmune disorder, so I know my children are genetically susceptible to harm from vaccination, so I should have the right as a parent to refuse those vaccinations without a doctor's note, essentially.
She's president of Wisconsin United for Freedom, the group organizing this rally.
We're here for all freedom. Second Amendment rights, alternative health, holistic health.
What we're actually here about is personal freedom.
They believe the government goes too far with a proposed bill that would eliminate the personal conviction waiver that currently allows parents to exclude their student from getting vaccinated.
We're the parents. We know our kids better than anybody.
Vaccine hesitancy is unfortunately a rising trend in the United States.
Infectious disease expert Dr. James Conway says we're also seeing rising outbreaks of diseases like measles, at one point declared eliminated.
And the sad thing is that we were on pace that we thought we might be able to eradicate this disease by 2020 or 2025, and in fact now we're back to where we started in many ways.
He says vaccines are tested in hundreds of thousands of people before being brought to market, then continually scrutinized from there.
All of these vaccine preventable diseases that we worry about are horrible. I mean, I'm one of the few people probably that has seen each and every vaccine preventable disease that we vaccinate against. I've watched children die from these diseases. I've watched children suffer even if they survive.
God gave us a defense mechanism in our immune system, and our bodies, they're designed perfectly.
Skett says after doing research of her own, which she recommends for others, she doesn't worry about diseases like measles on the rise.
You got to trust in your body.
Conway hopes vaccine skeptics will trust the words of medical experts.
We have an obligation in healthcare to help people understand better what the real facts are about these things, and we hope that they'll engage with us and look to us as the authorities that can actually help them really understand what the issues are that they're wrestling with.
So far this year, more than 800 cases of measles have been confirmed in the country, the greatest number since 1994 and since measles were declared eliminated in 2000, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Keeley.
All right, thank you so much, Maddie. In news around this